Our world has fundamentally changed when it comes to communication. Newspapers have crumbled and been replaced by blogs. The cable providers are being strangled by streaming services, and huge brick-and-mortar stores have been shuttered in lieu of online shopping. Your organization can't afford to ignore these changes. The same communication methods are not going to work anymore. You need to start communicating through video. Yes, it's daunting to know where to begin, so here's a rule of thumb for you. One 60-second video is equivalent to about a page of text. If you have a page of text or more to communicate, consider creating a video instead. So instead of drafting a long email, opt for a short video. Open rates jump 20% with the mere mention of video in the subject line. Instead of having a long About Us page on your website, post a video instead, which is actually rewarded by search engines with more traffic. One video at a time, you will begin to push your organization forward and again, advance your mission. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow with video.